I have a mystery FabFitFun Fall 2025 box. So if you want to see what's inside, it's little but heavy. And is it worth it? Then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little guy here is Bandit, and Chloe is doing some homework. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking this out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I went ahead and I got an uncustomized box from their sale. I believe they're running $79 now, which is a steep price increase. She is little, but she is heavy. Now, I did get a notification that this was delivered today. So when I came home and it wasn't here, I was rather surprised. So I emailed them immediately and I said, I don't have it. It's not here. Can you send a picture? Because in the tracking that they sent me, there really wasn't like any way to see a picture. But then I saw a little connection to go on and go onto the website, which I guess this was FedEx this time. It's different every time. And then they showed a picture of where it was, which was not here, but it was, luckily, it was a lady down the street, different street, but they connect. And it was right at her porch. So I knocked at the door. I'm like, I don't want you to think I'm stealing anything. That's my package. She's like, oh, I know. I told your mom. But my mom did not check her Facebook Messenger, which is how she tells her. So when they get back to me, I'll say, yeah, I found it. I went around and found it. Now, it is a lovely inside. I kind of wish the inside was on the outside. From Customization 1, we have this set of Amika Forget Frizz Anti-Frizz Shampoo and Conditioner. This is a $56 bundle. It does say that you can say goodbye to frizz for up to 72 hours. That would not, I can tell you, without even trying it, that is not going to work for my hair because I go to bed and I wake up and my hair is just crazy. So, yeah, and there's no way I'm going, 3 days without washing my hair? Not a chance. This is vegan, color safe, mineral oil free, phthalate free, paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free, climate label certified. It is for dry and frizzy hair. It is for medium to thick, coarse and wavy, coily hair types, but all hair types could use. Again, that is not my hair type. I follow the Blowout Professor, and he does not like Amika. He says it's terrible for your hair. But I mean, I have other Amika products that I will finish using because I have them. These I will probably gift or give away or see if my daughter wants to try. But it is nice. It is something from Customization 1 I did not already have. All right, in category 2, I have a set of the 2 Noon and Moon mugs. Now, I do have 6 of these, but this will make place settings for 8. When do I have 8 people? Never. But, you know, who knows? Here is how they look. They're super cute. They're about 8.5 ounces. Definitely not my morning cup of coffee size, but it is nice for something later on in the day. And that is a $76 value. From Customization number 3, I have the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. This is a $45 value. This is a cruelty-free brand. I did choose this as one of my add-ons. Used it a couple times. I like it. Can't say that after 2 times or 5 times, however many times I used it, that it's done anything incredible, but you know, it's got some time to work. All right, for Customization 4, I got these Love AJ Shell Threader earrings. This is a $58 value. I did not add these on. I gotta be honest, I really don't like this style earring. I don't get it. You spread it in and then you've got this hanging from your ear, and I don't know. I don't feel like that's gonna be very pleasant. They're very pretty earrings, and I will definitely find a home for them, but it will not be in my ears. I think I've tried this style earring one time, and I really was not a fan. Some people like it. It's just not, I don't know, I just think it feels weird. For customization number 5, I received the Pantone notebook. This is an $18.99 value. It is a very nice notebook. I have to say, I was considering getting it, but I was like, well, I don't really need it. But I love the color. It goes along with all their other dark cherry themed items. For customization 6, I received the XMO NDO Super Gloss Ultra Frizz Defense Spray. This is a $29 value, and it says that it is going to keep your hair smooth, shiny, and totally frizz-free without a grease buildup. And it has a heat-activated HumiShield technology that's designed to create a barrier around each strand for the ultimate frizz defense. And then last, in customization 7 by Rare Beauty, I had chose this for my box. This is the Fine Comfort Niacinamide Hydrating Body Lotion. It's a $28 value. It smells very nice, very fall forward scent. And I actually brought the hand cream into work, and I let a friend of mine try some, and she really liked it. So I think I'm going to give this to her. I think she will like that. I do have the lotion. It's not like I wouldn't use another one, but I feel like she would really appreciate it. So I'm going to pass it on to her. All right. Well, what do you think? Was this a good mystery box? I will say there was, a few things that I was surprised and happy to see. I mean, I had wanted to try this, and I had also been looking at the notebook. The mugs, I don't mind having another set to give me a total of 8. At some point when we combine households, it will be 5 of us as it is. So if anybody else comes over, it won't be too bad. But let me know your thoughts. Would you have been happy to get this? Would you have chosen any of these items for your own box? All right. Well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.